Hi, I am Ackeem.
And I'm Shariff.
We are the founders of REFRAMD, the world's most inclusive eyewear brand. The eyewear industry overlooks 3 billion people worldwide by designing sunglasses primarily around high and narrow nose bridges commonly found on people with Caucasian facial features. This leads to people with wide and low nose profiles, such as ourselves, Black people, and people of East Asian descent, to wear glasses that are not designed for us and don't fit us. We at REFRAMD are leading the change in addressing this issue. Informed by our experience from hundreds of face scans and custom glasses, we parametrically configure every design we create into 3 nose profiles and sizes. This is only possible because we print on demand, eliminating upfront molding costs, mass production, and unsold stock, which ends up in landfills.